now we have everything what we need to finish it. So we will just use the very simple way. So it means we will use if-else statement or if-elif statement to reach the results. Okay, so for example, if user choice, maybe I will do it like this, if user choice is equal to computer choice, so it means that user choice is, for example, 0 and computer choice is 0 as well. So it means both of them has a rock. So it means we will print the result draw, right? Because nobody win, nobody lose. Elif, if user choice is equal 0, and at the same time, do you remember it's a logic operator, and it means at the same time computer choice is equal to 0. So now what does it mean, guys? It means I'm a user, so I have a rock, and computer has a paper. So what was the result? Because paper wins, right? So it means we will print you lose, computer wins. Oh, great. I hope we have it correctly. I hope yes. Okay, so elif user choice is equal to 0 and computer choice is equal to 2. So it means surprise, surprise, I have rock and the computer has scissors, so I win, right? Is it correct? So we will write you win, computer loses. Okay, elif, and so on and so on. So you can do it by yourself if you want. You can finish it. This is no problem. So elif user choice is equal to 1 and computer choice is equal to 0. So it means I have paper and computer has rock, so I win, right? So again, you win, computer loses. Okay, elif user choice is equal to 1 and computer choice is equal to not 1, because it means this situation is here. Okay, it's draw, so we'll compare it with 2. Okay, great. So 1 and 2, and it means you lose or I lose. you lose, computer wins, right? Because it means that I have a paper and the computer has scissors. Okay, scissors beat paper, right? So computer wins. Okay, okay. And the last possibilities is if elif user choice is equal to and computer choice is equal 0. 2 is scissors, right? And 0 is rock. So rock wins, correct? So print you lose, computer wins. And the last option, elif user choice is equal to 2 and computer choice is equal 1. So it means I have scissors and he has paper, so I win. Perfect. I want to win. You win, computer loses, correct? So and that's it. That should be everything what we need. So all possibilities should be here. So draw, and after that 0 0 1 2 1 1 0 2 2 2 0 1. Okay, it should be okay. So we can run it and we will see. So I will choose rock, computer choose rock as well, so it's draw. Okay, great. I will choose paper and computer choose rock, so I win. Oh, perfect. Okay, one more time. I will choose, for example, scissors. computer rock, you lose. No, computer wins. Okay. So computer beat me. Okay, great. So that's it. And don't forget, guys, that you have all these codes in textbook, and the link to the textbook is in the description of the video, so you can take this code if you have some problem there, some mistakes, some errors, and so on, and you can play with it. Okay, guys, thank you for watching.